musician, but most importantly, I'm in the film space. So I play a lead character called Tiny. It's my first role.
Tiny.
Yeah. Don't look at me. Don't look at me and laugh.
I'm like, hey, okay, makes sense.
You get it.
I get it.
But I play the lead character, Tiny, on The Long Arm of the Law. It's a telenovela. We're currently on the second season. Based up in Monty. Everything shot here, everything sourced here. Even the actors, Zizi to Zizanap.
Oh man, I love that. In the Eastern Cape, but not just in the Eastern Cape, in East London. You're saying you're on the second season of, when did the first one drop?
The first one dropped late last year.
Yeah.
Basically, it was just the production in Montywood. I'm under the umbrella in Montywood. They started to branch out because they were doing movies most of the time. So they wanted to branch out into like films and series. We embarked on that one, challenging because abanye abantu, even the actors, even the crew members, abanye abantu, it was their first break. To physically hold this thing. And
physically hold it. I love how you just worded that.
And I think eyonando nathi ephinde yasikhilela, because sometimes yes, you would love to do lendo, but then again, up until you are within it, that's where you feel like, man, I deserve this. So the first season came out last year. It was practically a redemption story, because Utani was in prison in season 1 for people that watched it, but unfortunately got out too much. So Tiny was in prison for season 1. Umamake came through as it une cancer. He's also dealing with the death of his father. And then now he has to cut a deal inside with the cops to be a snitch.
And snitches get stitches.
So season 1, it's all about stitches. But fast forward now, we're working on season 2. We can definitely say season 2, it's branching out of Utani and also touching on things that we go through. Tina, Apa in the BCM. We're talking taxi violence, we're talking politics, we're talking corruption, we're talking even abantwana bethu. We are under siege, abantwana bethu bayazulusa ngokwabo. So this story ezinjalo, so it brings it closer to people because sithetha ngalento nawe unophuma ube soyibona. So season 2 is out now, available. People can go on our platform, which is www.montywood.co.za, and that's where you find us.
Love that, and I love that the series and the telenovela in itself is relatable. And I also want to know how important is that you make stories that are representative of the realities of people and not just fiction, but to speak to our realities.
For me, I always say that's the therapy we need, Tina. Because we go through these things and then that goes through this. But without understanding, and also it helps us ujonga effect in the situation. Because when you find that, we're talking drugs, cool. It's a storytelling about drugs, but eating effect, who does it affect? It does not necessarily affect you, that is busy with these substances, but also the family, So zibalulekile as our stories in Jilana, and most importantly, just to tell ingxaki zethu, because most of the time I always said, because before I ventured into acting, I hate the movies because Paris. Paris at this moment, and pose under the Eiffel Tower. What about the story? Someone, I need to do this, I want to acquire this, I have, and that I want, I was hoping for, but say more than telenovela that we're touching on it is entertainment. We don't tell stories about entertainment. Everyone has this idea about, it's beautiful, it's nice, entertainment, also make entertainment without understanding, but that dabble within what we do as well.
I love that. I love that because people need that. I think when you began, you spoke about how that is therapy for people. And before we play the trailer for season 2 a bit, I want you to just before we play it.
Okay.
What can people expect from just even the trailer?
The trailer.
And season 2.
I don't want to sound vague, but banger after banger after banger. But I think the trailer yenze lo msebenzi bekumele iyawenza. You know, it touches on everything that we deal with, and then most importantly iphinde ikunikela abantu abangabawela ukubukela. You know, I want to watch it, and to a point whereby ungafuna ukubukela, I want to be a part of it.
Yeah.
You know, so good luck.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm excited.
I think let's get ready to play the trailer already. Awesome.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, that's nice.
I'm also just looking forward to watching it now.
Okay.
Please shut down your mics.
Yeah, that was Hollywood in East London.
Definitely.
Monty.
Actually.
No, this is incredible, guys. This is cinema at its best. So a person just watched this and they're like, I love it. I'm in love already. Where can they watch it?
It's very simple. You can stream us on www.montywood.co.za. It is a platform that a production that we know it grows each and every day because people get to watch izinto esinazo. So they offer movies and they also have their own app.
Yeah.
You know, so it's Montywood. You get it, you watch it, and you come and let me know.
Yeah.
If I'll pay you data back. It's fine.
Yeah.
You know, but otherwise, as much as now Buchilo cinematography, A1, makeup on point,
Yeah.
and Nanti we tried as actors. As much as now the situation, it's my first role, you know, but
No, that was your first role.
literally.
I couldn't tell.
So I had to put in that work to a point whereby it's almost in prison, you know. So I had to go and definitely in number.
You actually went to
Definitely
the
number.
prison.
Literally, and then to a point whereby nalapha elokishini eKasi, because in the same Tanzania, so I'd find the Grotman Payana, except Grotman, asihlale phansi man, sinobole, nansi sikholana, nansi drink, let's have a conversation. Ithini lento. So literally I had.
And shout out to you guys for being persistent and saying we will, you know, go for another season, even with the challenges, even with the constraints, and you guys made an amazing season. Already from the trailer, I can tell Ukubana effort was put in. Yeah, effort was put in here. You know, our with equipment and you know and everything. So yeah. Shout out to you guys for pushing, because I mean it's tough, you know. When you said you're a filmmaker, I was like, the creative industry is struggling, you know. Even with actors that are, you know, national household names.
The big guys.
Just what happened now with
come
Mamu Unandinyembe and the plans for actors to get paid their royalties. So for you guys to keep pushing, you're not young. You're just tiny.
We're just tiny. We're just tiny.
You're just tiny. Please remind me. No, we appreciate it. And where can people catch you?
People can find me on social media. Maneka, Facebook, Kamani Nacho Mabizela. Instagram, I am _Nacho. Twitter, X, it's Nacho_ZA. Yeah, man. And also I'm on radio, so shout out to that. People can listen and they'll find out on my platform where I'm at.
No, you can check.
Oh, I can check.
Yeah,
oh, cool. Oh, cool. You guys are cool, man. Where's your boss? Shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out.
He's a show guy.
And Maneka, Monday to Friday, from 6 a.m. till 9 a.m. I do the breakfast show, Ekongani FM. So yeah.
Okay. Love it. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. And I'll be watching and I will definitely share a review. So yeah, expect that. Ndingumntu particular.
Okay.
So your review is about
and I'm one of those people that love criticism.
Okay.
I enjoy it that much because at least I know how to come back stronger.
Okay. No, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's me. Yeah, I think I'm talking to myself, but like a male version of myself. So I appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for